ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 18 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 7. ಆತ್ಮಾನಂ ಯಜತಿ ಮಖೈಃ ತ್ವಯಿ ತ್ರಿಧಾಮನ್ ಆರಬ್ಧೆ ಶತತಮವಾಜಿ ಮೇಧಯಾಗೇ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾಲುಃ ಶತಮಖಯೇತ್ಯ ನೀಚವೇಷೋ ಹೃತ್ವಾಶ್ವಂ ತವ ತನಯಾತ್ ಪರಾಜಿತೋಭೂತ್. Word by word meaning. Hey Tridhaman, O Lord of the three worlds, Twayi, when thou, Makhaihi, by sacrifices, Atmanam yajati, word sacrificing to thyself, Shatata mavaji medhayage, when the 100th Ashwamedha Yaga Arabde was begun, Spardhaluhu Shatamakaha, Indra who was jealous, Neecha Veshaha Etya, coming in the guise of a low-born person, Ashvam Hritva, stealing away the horse, Tava Tanayat, by thy son, Parajitaha Abhut, was defeated. Full meaning. O Lord of the three worlds, when thou performing sacrifices to thyself didst begin the 100th Ashwamedha Yaga, Indra became jealous and coming in the guise of a low-born person stole the horse. He was then defeated by thy son, who was therefore called Vijitashvan, one who won the horse back. Note, Indra is known as Shatamakaha because he won that position by performing 100 Ashwamedha Yagas. He thought that Prithu, by performing 100 Yagas, would take away his position. This was why he became jealous of Prithu. Om Tat Sat.